Hi there, I'm Buck Stowers. This is the tip for today. I'd like to run a little experiment, and it won't take you long, but if you can just listen extremely carefully. That was 10 seconds of listening. Not thinking about what you're going to do, but actually just listening and thinking, maybe I've lost it, or the sound has gone off. But I'd like you to try it again, just one more time. That's another 10 seconds. Can you hear what you're doing when you're listening? Can you see what's going on when you're listening? It's the sound of peace. Your brain is not racing at 1,000 million miles an hour trying to do what you have to do. You're just sitting there listening or standing, and there is no sound. Do it again, one more time for 10 seconds. Once again, that's the sound of peace. It's quiet. There isn't all that chatter going on in your head going, I've got to do this, I have to do this, I need to run around at 1,000 million miles, I have to pick up the groceries, I've got to put petrol in the car, I've got to get diesel, I've got to make the lunches, I've got to vacuum clean, I've got to, and at the end of the day thinking I'm unhappy. If you can give yourself 10 minutes, not 10 seconds, 10 minutes of silence, just so that you can hear your own heartbeat, that's peace, quiet. That's all it takes. Just giving yourself 10 minutes of space. And that's how easy it is to get a little bit of time for yourself instead of filling your head with clutter. Just like you clean your cupboards, it's time to clean your mind. If you want some space and you want some peace, then you have to give yourself that. No noise. Sitting down and just really relaxing with no sound. Listening to your own heartbeat. Or trying to listen to your partners so that you can get absolute peace. Try it. 10 minutes a day. It's not much to ask for yourself. I'm Buck Stowers. Have a wonderful day.